Only on events in demand. Pay-per-view.
It's
time to set the record straight about bankruptcy.
I think I'd be better off going with a bill consolidation company rather than filing bankruptcy.
Wrong.
The fact is, most bill consolidation programs fail, while bankruptcy can get rid of your bills once and for all.
Bankruptcy will ruin my credit.
Wrong. Over 90% of the people who file bankruptcy can actually improve their credit scores over time. As the largest bankruptcy firm in the country, we can give you the information you need to make the right decision.
Call 1-800-246 for a free consultation.
You can hide.
Slot defeats the purpose. I can see your eyes.
But you can't escape.
Why'd you do that? Why are you happening so fast?
It's always sunny in Philadelphia.
Dude, these are the kind of decisions, cannibalism, racism, these are the kind of things that are best left up to the suits in Washington. We're just here to eat some dude.
Here's Thursday, September 18th.
What you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just making these two look like a couple of hot American ladies.
Wow.
Only on FX.
You see how this pendulum begins moving in a regular pattern and then quickly becomes more and more random and erratic? Well, that's the basic concept behind chaos theory.
Oh, I figured that was just another term for dating in LA.
No, that involves more swimming.
All right, let's get back to the butterfly effect.